Hi, we're going to look at changing this color photograph into a burnt sienna color to use as reference for our grisaille. So the first thing that we want to do is make sure that we have open in Windows layers. You probably have it open already, but if not, you can go up to Windows, go to Windows and go to Layer. You'll have a screen that looks like this. Let's get rid of this. Okay, so you are going to go down to the center icon right here and click on black and white. You'll get a screen that looks like this. You're going to click on tint right here, and it is going to change this to this tint. This is close, but it's not exactly close enough to burnt sienna color in oil paint. So we're going to change that. You're going to click on this little square right here, and I would take the slider, move it down just a little bit closer to the reds, and then click right about here, and maybe a tiny bit more to the reds and a little bit darker, probably right around there. So this is an approximate. It should be approximately this color. Hit OK, and now you have a conversion of your image into burnt sienna to do your grisaille. You can go File, Save As, and give it a name that you would remember it by. And you won't have to replace an image, but you should be able to just save it on your drive someplace. You also can print this out, File, Print, and you should do HS Art is the printer that we are using for this particular example, and hit Print.